Hey, how's it going? It's Dr. Jason Hahn with HealthFit Physical Therapy and Chiropractic. Let's talk a little bit about you working in your yard. You've probably had a little bit more time to work on the plants, do a little landscaping. So what I really want you to do is examine your body mechanics. So a simple thing such as bending down to pick something up is very important. So if you were to come in for an evaluation, I would simply watch you go and touch your toes. So I would say, Jason, go ahead and touch your toes. I'm looking for two different patterns. The one pattern that we'll typically see is that you'll bend at your low back and then you'll bend at your hips. The other pattern is you bend at your hips and then go on your back. What we want to see is primarily at the hips, because if you're moving back and forth in your low back too much, that's when you end up with pain at the low back. In some scenarios, you may get pain down your leg. We really don't want that. And you imagine me moving through my back and I'm picking up mulch, I'm picking up soil, I'm picking up whatever it is. That's a recipe for disaster. The other thing is that when you're squatting down to do stuff, are you squatting through your knees or are you squatting through your hips? So for example, if I squat through my knees, I usually come forward and I just do this. Over and over again, you're going to cause a lot of patellofemoral pain, a lot of patellar tendonitis. What we want to see is, can you come down through your hips to pick stuff up, to dig, to do whatever? Because if you're not moving through your hips, it's going to go through your knees or your low back. So if you're dealing with any kind of those kind of pains, go ahead and give us a call or leave a comment in the area below, and we'd be more than happy to help you.